I am blind. I am blind. But don't think that I don't see. I am in this world to achieve something. And you are doing the same, right? Whatever it is, what do you want to achieve? Where do you want to go to? Do you think you can't achieve what you are wishing for? Are you really worrying about it? Where are you? Look around you. Be happy. Chase what you want. You are a human being too. Same as everybody else. Have faith. Believe in your dreams. You are close to them. You are close. Don't ever stop. No matter how many times you fail, stand up again. And if you fail again, stand up once again. And again. And once again. Believe me, you will get there as long as you are standing up. Don't stop trying, no matter whom you are and what you want. No matter what dreams you have, don't ever stop following. No matter what is in the way. No matter what hurts you. No matter how many times you are defeated. They are the lessons for your dream. They will take you there. You will find it. Keep looking. Something will happen. Trust me. Sometimes it takes a long time. I promise you will find it. Use that time. No matter how bad it is. The world may not tell you can get there. Don't wait until they say you are ready. There will be haters in your path. They might hurt you too, but don't bother to do revenge. Please, don't bother responding them. Don't even bother telling them that you are ready. Walk in your path. Show them and do it. You will get there. Ignore what they say. Raise the rest of your life to find yourself. Don't ever seek permission from yourself to give up. Stand up. No matter how many times you fail, stand up again. Try again. Fail again. Fail better. And fail once again. Really, don't stop standing up. All your fails are accountable for your coming happiness. How will a person ever feel wellness if they don't ever get ill? And how will we ever feel happy if you don't ever feel sad? What we see does not matter, but what we feel matters a lot. Carry on. You are close. Believe me, you will get there. The world is yours. Please, don't give up at the moment when the miracle is just about to happen. And thanks very much for your listening. Don't give up. When the miracle is just about